This is POCO X6 Pro, and today I will show how you can enable and disable the TalkBack feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Here find and enter the Additional Settings category, then go into Accessibility. Find the Vision section, or it actually shut itself down for some reason. So here at the Vision section, open the TalkBack settings page, and that's how you enable it from here. And
TalkBack on. Close. Close tutorial. Close. Allow Android accept. Don't allow. TalkBack. Back. Use TalkBack. On. Switch. In list. 8 items.
And well, that's how you
Double
can
tap to
obviously
activate.
disable it.
Stop TalkBack. Stop. TalkBack off.
You can also enable the TalkBack shortcut that always be here, and you can
TalkBack
enable it
on.
through it.
Don't allow. TalkBack. On. TalkBack off.
As well as disable it. Or you can go into Settings, manage all those preferences, or there is actually another way to conveniently enable the conveniently disable the TalkBack once it is switched on without this shortcut or this menu page.
TalkBack. Home. POCO launcher. All. Home.
So as you can see from here, you'll need to simultaneously press and hold volume up and volume down
Media
keys.
volume controls shown. Swipe up to dismiss. Music volume muted. Music volume set to 0%.
And if you'll hold both volume rocker buttons or both volume rocker keys for 3 seconds, the TalkBack is going to be switched off. Anyway, that will be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.